Hi, and welcome to the third part of Orange Mortgage and Finance Brokers First Home Buyer Explainer video series, and we'll cover some tips and some tricks to avoid in the home loan market. First, watch out for introductory or honeymoon rates, especially if you have to pay LMI. When the honeymoon rate ends, the new interest rate is usually much higher, and because you had to pay LMI, you probably won't refinance because you'll have to pay LMI again, which means you end up stuck in a higher interest rate loan. Second, make sure you factor in all costs like annual fees, monthly fees, and application fees. Some lenders are giving specials for first home buyers by waiving annual or monthly fees. This could cost or save you more than $11,000 over a 30-year loan. Third, if you are looking at a major bank, make sure you ask for a discount. At Orange Finance, we always request a pricing discount from large banks. We haggle on your behalf to make sure you are getting a better deal. Fourth, make sure you also factor in customer service. Cost is definitely the most important thing, but poor customer service makes things unpleasant and more trouble than it is worth. Okay, click the next video which explains the process of getting a home loan. See you in the next video.